In this Wristcam tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can video call your friends and family using the Wristcam app on your iPhone. The first step that you want to do is open up the App Store and download the Wristcam app. From there, open it up, go ahead and tap on the video calling icon and go ahead and sign in. You can actually sign in with Apple, which is extremely simple. Put your first and last name and add your profile photo. Go ahead and press on submit and make sure everything is looking right. Go ahead and press on continue, and your Wristcam video calling account is now done. On the top of the app, you're gonna see all of your Wristcam contacts, so everybody that has signed up for video calling on Wristcam. You can also invite your friends and family tapping on the invite button, and then you can simply send them an iMessage, a tweet, an email, or whatever you want. Let's go ahead and call a friend, for example. Just tap on the friend, and from there, you are now video calling on the iPhone. And that's truly the magic of Wristcam video calling. Being able to take video calls directly on your wrist is definitely something very special. And what's most awesome is that Wristcam video calling is cross compatible. You can simply video call them directly from iPhone to Apple Watch, or Apple Watch to iPhone, or Apple Watch to Apple Watch. It's cross compatible. That's the magic of it. So that's how you invite, that's how you download, and that's how you actually video call your friends and family using your iPhone within the Wristcam app.